Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda CBR650R, a sport bike that blends sleek styling with everyday practicality and thrilling performance. Honda's CBR lineup has always stood for precision engineering and rider-focused design, and the latest CBR650R is no exception. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this bike deserves a spot on your radar. Design and aesthetics. At first glance, the 2025 CBR650R makes a bold statement. Honda has updated the styling to align closer with its bigger sibling, the CBR1000RR, or Fireblade. The new front features a sharper LED headlight, integrated turn signals, and streamlined fairings for better aerodynamics. The tank and tail section are more sculpted, giving the bike a racier silhouette while keeping rider comfort. Updated color schemes, including a new stealth black and a tricolor option, add a modern edge that appeals to both veterans and newcomers alike. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 2025 Honda CBR650R is the familiar 649 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, known for its smooth delivery and balance. For 2025, Honda has tweaked the engine mapping for crisper throttle response and slightly more mid-range torque. Riders get around 95 horsepower, offering fun performance without being overwhelming. The bike now features Honda's assist and slipper clutch, which gives lighter lever action and reduces wheel hop during aggressive downshifts. Whether you're carving corners or commuting, the CBR650R stays composed and exciting. Technology and safety. Honda has upgraded the tech for the 2025 model. A new 5-inch full-color TFT replaces the older LCD with smartphone connectivity via Honda RoadSync. Riders can access navigation, calls, messages, and music on the go. Safety features include an improved traction control system and dual-channel ABS as standard. The CBR650R also gets show as separate function big piston SFBP USD forks, delivering great front-end feedback and ride quality whether you're cruising or pushing hard through corners. Comfort and everyday usability. What sets the CBR650R apart is its usability. Honda kept the upright-ish riding position that makes the bike great for daily use while still offering a sporty feel. The seat is supportive for longer rides, and the overall ergonomics strike a balance between comfort and performance. With its lightweight chassis and nimble handling, the 2025 CBR650R is just as fun on weekend rides as it is practical for the daily grind. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda CBR650R is a strong choice for riders who want sport bike looks and performance without giving up everyday comfort. With refreshed design, upgraded electronics, and fine-tuned engine performance, this bike continues to shine in the middleweight sport bike segment. Whether you're moving up from a smaller bike or just want a versatile machine that delivers, the new CBR650R is worth checking out.